kid. The fuck, yeah, the fucking Bruins. I don't fucking know. Yeah, dude. I'm going to get fucking... I gotta go get my mother fucking smokes. Her and fucking Charlene. They're smoking like fucking chimneys. Yeah, fucking Dev is 0 for 3. Wants all the fucking cash. Yeah, he's alright though. He's gonna be fucking fine. The fucking Bragman with the fucking bases loaded. Was he fucking nuts? My God almighty. I'll tell you what's fucking nuts though, is my fucking mother and Charlene, they're fucking smoking butts right in the fucking baby's face. They don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck. Oh, the baby's 6. He's fine now. My son, well, your son's, he's 17. He's playing shortstop. The fucking smoke, he runs all day. He plays shortstop, he fucking runs. The cigarette smoke has nothing to do with it when he's sleeping. Fucking kid. He's the only kid I know who sleeps in a fucking tent in his bedroom. How about that? That's a fucking fact, dog. This fucking guy thinks right over here comes a... Here they are. Go in there. You're a white guy. You don't get a haircut in there. You wait for fucking 4 hours. Forget about it. Do white people even cut hair anymore? I don't think so. That's why I cut my hair myself. You want to see it? Hey, perfect segue. Perfect segue. Cut it by myself. Look at this. Look at this. Let me show you what's over here now. Let me show you. Oh, yeah. Hey. Yo, let's go get the fucking lineup, kid. I need a fucking lineup. Yeah. Yeah, now, this is me being passive-aggressive, making sure I don't get a fucking beating. Yeah, give me a fucking lineup. How's this lineup? Pretty good? Who gives a fuck? Honest to God. The broads love it. The less you do, the more they love you. God bless you. Go fucking... Go Red Bregman. Bases loaded.